Hello crypto fam, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I am going to share details about the Velo where you can easily get the wallet, gasless USDT wallet. We are going to share each and everything how you will move digital dollars anywhere from one place to another without any border. Mean this is borderless, gasless wallet where instantly you are going to do transaction execution, the simplest stablecoin wallet for instant crypto cross-border payment you can easily get. This is designed with user-friendly interface. You are going to join with instant transfer, global reach, non-custodial security. These are the thing you are going to join, and one of the best thing you can find here: gas, no gas token needed. Lowest fees, simple and transparent, one low fee cover anything, no need to hold Ethereum or BNB or any gas token. This is how Velocash is working. You can easily download the wallet. Mean there is app on the Google Play Store and App Store. You can come to store and you can also add and send globally your asset without any worry. This is also how transferring a stable coin with gasless wallet is here and how it is working, and it is also already live transfer with the live session and 3 active routes. So there you can also check all major chains are supported: Ethereum, Solana, Tron or BNB. All of these are supported by the gasless wallet Velo. And here you can check about the trusted worldwide $2 billion plus transferred already. So if you have any question related to the project, you can easily read the frequently asked question. And now I am going to download the wallet here, and then I will show you how actually this is working in a proper thing. And now you can download the wallet from Google Play Store. Now friends, we are on the Google Play Store. You can check here. I am going to search Velo gasless online USDT wallet. This is how you are going to install. Once it will be installation complete, you can easily click on the open, and there you have to do some step-by-step process. So as this is first, select your language. You have to get some tutorial what you can do on a single interface. Now we are going to create the wallet, and here you have to put a password that should be strong, and after continue, here is a phrase. You can also copy it and save it. Next you have to confirm again the password, and after that you can check successfully your account has been created. You can easily send your currency and put the number, and then there will be required address. If you want to receive any fund, you can click on the next receiving, and then you are going to click on the asset what you are going to use. The currency QR code and address will be given. In this way you can also choose some other features, some other options you can enjoy. And now enjoy gasless wallet now.